In today's gig economy, supplementing one's income has become not only possible, but increasingly essential. Amid the myriad of options available, earning through online surveys stands out as an intriguing opportunity. Welcome to our discussion on the art of balancing act. Supplementing your income with survey earnings. You may wonder, how do these surveys work? Companies are in a constant race to understand consumer preferences. To achieve this, they turn to market research firms that harvest valuable insights directly from people like you. These firms are willing to pay for honest feedback that can influence product development, advertising strategies, and much more. Joining reputable survey platforms can unlock this potential earning avenue. However, navigating the world of survey earnings necessitates a strategic approach. First, it's crucial to identify legitimate survey sites. Authentic platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna regularly feature surveys and have standing reputations. Beware of sites that promise to make you rich overnight. They are likely scams. Consistency is key. Allocating a specific time each day for surveys can gradually increase your earnings without overwhelming your schedule. Think of it not as a primary income source, but rather a complementary one. Success in this field also hinges on honing your time management skills. Surveys can become a time sink without proper boundaries. Establishing a routine that integrates survey taking with other responsibilities ensures you won't neglect vital tasks for minimal gain. Furthermore, efficiently completing surveys requires patience and attention to detail. Missteps in this process can diminish your chances of qualifying for the most rewarding surveys. In conclusion, while survey earnings on their own may not replace a full-time salary, they can certainly provide a valuable financial supplement. By selecting credible platforms and making surveys a consistent part of your routine, you not only maximize this income stream, but embrace a seamless work-life balance. With careful time management and realistic expectations, you can master the balancing act, turning spare minutes into rewarding earnings. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9t05.com.